Hi there, North Plainfield. My name is Miss Beard. I work at North Plainfield High School, and today I'm going to show you how to access your Zoom classes. For while we're remote learning, you're going to be learning using Zoom. So the place to find your Zoom classes is through Google Classroom. Each of your teachers is going to have you in their Google Classroom, and they're going to post their Zoom link to the Google Classroom. For you guys, it's simple. First, go to your classroom. Once you're in your classroom, scroll down in the stream, and your teacher will have your Zoom link right here in your classroom. So here's mine, Zoom session link. All you need to do is click on Launch Meeting. Once you've clicked on the link for the meeting, it's going to take you to a page to sign in with Google. Please make sure you always hit this button, Sign in with Google. Never fully type it out yourself or else it won't work the same way. So click Sign in with Google. It will automatically put your name in there for you. Click on Join, and then shortly you will be put into the meeting. It's going to say, please wait, I will let you in soon. Your teacher on their screen will allow you in. There's a nice big pop-up box that says admit the student. Your teacher will let you in, and then you are in the Zoom class. There are a few things that you can do. First, you can join with your audio so that you can hear what your teacher is saying. So we need to click Join with Computer so that you can hear, not necessarily for speaking, but for hearing. Then what we need to do is you need to click on Start Video. It may ask you to allow it. And then you'll be able to see your teacher. Okay, so click on the link in Google Classroom to get into Zoom. Once you're here, turn on your audio, turn on your video, and then you can be a part of the lesson. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to your teacher at any time. Or if you have any problems with your computer, please reach out to tech_help@nplainfield.org, and they will help you with any tech problems you have. Again, that's tech_help@nplainfield.org. I hope you guys have a wonderful start to the school year, and if you have any problems, please make sure you reach out.